true or false. Number 22, simple getter. Return true, a simple getter then provides a store value. Number 23, return constant. Get fixed value. Return a constant value dash 7. Number 25. Number 24. Function using break. Break loop for loop that stop early when equals 2. Function using continue. Number 25. For loop that skips printing when 2 using the continue statement. Number 26, return from inside loop. Loop exit. Loop exit prints once then use return to access the loop and method early. Number 27, print Unicode character. Print Unicode smiley face using 26.3a. 28. Ternary use a ternary operator to return okay if true, not okay otherwise. Number 29, switch on char. Switch on a character, print dash underscore a and b or other. Number 30, try catch block. Save print. Use a try catch block to handle exception safely. Prints safe uses and error occurs. Number 31, try catch finally. Try finally. Use try finally always. Print finally after try even an error happens. Number 32, true exemption. Demonstrate truing exemption manually using true now exemption. Number 33, method with enum. Status enum. Print status and status. Define an enum if and prints its value. Number 34, check null.